Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So I have a couple of my friends, they asked me how come, crypto crash when news of the core CPI were good. Well, it's because it means economy is going better than what they thought. And if the economy goes better than what they thought, then, well, there is less probabilities that they're going next week, the Feds. Well, maybe, people that were talking about maybe having a half a point of a cut next week. But now, if the economy is going better than what they thought, maybe a quarter of a point would be just enough. And also, well, no, some crazy people they start saying that maybe there will not be any cuts, which for me it's a little bit crazy. Also, what else? Let's go and check out the fear and greed. Actually, today my computer is very slow, but it's for the greater good. I'm kind of making backups and stuff in the same time, very not efficient. So my computer is a little bit slower, but I'm planning to install a new operating system, changing computer as well. So there you go. Okay, so today we are at 31. Yesterday was 37, and last week was 22. So it's looking good. It makes sense, right? Stocks, even though they went higher, actually yesterday they went a little bit lower. I have a couple of my friends, again, I have a lot of friends lately, yeah. Those kind of friends, they're always more present in my life when crypto is doing something. And now this morning, I mean, XRP is going up. They are very enthusiastic. And then, I don't want to be the party pooper, but they didn't prove anything yet. And kind of going on the side for a kind of a long time. Yes, now you're going to say, hey, come on, like from 30 cents, it went to, I don't know, I'm doing an average now, 75. So that's 100% up. Yes, but it's like 1 year. No, 2 years. Okay, so kind of going on the side. So I only have two touching point here. I'm not sure if I have a third one. Did we manage to break here? No, not really. So here almost touch it. Well, I don't know, maybe, yeah, actually the line could be even a little bit higher. So we didn't challenge it yet. Lately in August, we did. That's the daily. Beginning of August, we're almost there. But we're still now, for a moment anyway, far from it. Well, relatively far, like 64 cents. So 8 cents. Wait. Yeah, so not a bad, but still, we need to see at least the price breaking out from this downtrend. And I mean, when the downtrend started, I mean, this was the top of last cycle, 15 April 2021. Price got rejected from this trend. So this is start to be a very important and massive downtrend, very relevant. And I believe if XRP is able to break out from this red downtrend, it's going to be a big thing. Maybe, a game changer, or like a reversal price almost, I would say, initiation of reversal price. So we did have a 5-way up. I honestly don't like this pullback. Would have been would have been better once again if we had an A, a B, and a C, a more structured one. This is like, unreliable. Sorry. So we do have, let me take the brush here. I could 5-way up for a wave 1. Now this is a wave 2. Now the problem is, let me go on the 4 hours maybe. Okay, so I really would like to count this as a 1, 2, 3, then the 4 went too low, right? So what can I do? I can say just this was an A, a B, and a C, and this was a wave A, of the third wave. And now we had an A, a B, and a C for the B. And perhaps now we're going to have an A, a B, and hopefully a C. And yeah, this is going to be the third wave. Now, this was just for reference, scratch the 3. So this is the 1, this is the 2, and we're having an A, B, C for the third wave. All right, so I know my amazing drawings, there is much room for improvement. All right, so this is what I'm looking for now. If that happens, take out that one also. So that's for XRP. Bitcoin, I know it's exciting, it's doing something, but is it though? Because we are still into this fourth wave. I'm trying to be positive, but I need to have something to be positive. Let me not zoom in too much early. So until this downtrend yellow line is not broken, I cannot say we are reversing, right? And I have an ABC for maybe a wave 1. We had now maybe another A, B, overshooting wave B and C for the wave 2, and that's one way to see things. Or I could say this was an A, B, and a C for the wave 1 in green, and this was the wave 2, where, I mean, the wave 2, I cannot even see it anymore. I'm going to bring it down here. Okay, and actually this is mislabeled now. There you go. Okay, so ABC for wave 1, A, B, C for wave 2. I think this is like a... I think the blue one, I can't take it out now because repeating itself. Yeah, because before we were saying maybe this was a 1, 2, and this could have been another 1, 2, but then we went lower, so invalidation. So that's amazing in a way. Other people, they wouldn't think so, but you know, to me, invalidation is good. Now there is also this point that this was a 1, 2, this is the 3, this was the 4, and this is the 5, and we managed to have 5 waves. I don't like it because the wave 2, it's very shallow. I don't like it because the wave 3, I think wave 3, is it the shortest one? I think so. Let's go and check it out. Okay, so this is wave 1. I don't know. Let's redo it. Okay. Okay, so I'm taking, for, you know, I'm considering this beginning of wave 1 here, and the wave 2 ended here. So I'm going to bring out the 1-to-1 ratio. So the third wave has to be higher, and we were short. Okay, so this is 1. So now if I take the length of the wave 1, okay, let's remember wave 3 cannot be the shortest one. So now I'm going to take it and bring it to the wave allegedly 4. And this is bigger than wave 1. So this officially invalidates this potential that we can, or are we allowed to call it a third wave? We cannot. So there you go, invalidation. Okay, so this is an A, a B, and a C for wave 1. In my opinion, I don't see any others because other options are being invalidated. And yeah, so and we could say this was an A, B, C for the wave 2, and now we're doing something else. Could it be that you know, this is just an A and we're still working on a B and we go lower? Could be, but eventually, if we go too much lower, then we're going to invalidate as well. As you can see, the this one or ABC for wave 1. So this is where we are. So we need to have something to crunch, and for the moment we have nothing. We have a dead cross here, We didn't break this downtrend yellow line. And so there you go. If I go on the 1 hour, I know everybody, many people, oh my god, we got 5-way, woohoo! Well, where are they? Are you talking about this little thing? I mean, I know it's technically we did it, but it's not even 1% higher than the third wave. I know it's 5 waves, but now at one certain point, it's not that we get like a fifth wave, at least at a 2.382 or 2.618. I was like, okay, now at least I can see some impulsive movement. Fair enough. Gladly, I will call this a fifth wave, and it looks a little bit more impulsive. This is look corrective, honestly. I don't see impulse. And you know, if you zoom out a little bit, you can just see an A, a B, and a messy C. That's it. I mean, this C was maybe, I don't know, an A, B, C for the B, and then at the end we did the C. So yeah, I would like to be more enthusiastic or something like that, but for a moment, not happening. I want to see 59,000, then I start, okay, now we start to reach a nice level. Ethereum, seriously, even worse than Bitcoin. And you know, oh my goodness, like so many YouTubers out there. First of all, I hate it when they're being dramatic. The beginning of the bear market, the end of the bull market already here. I mean, this is just clickbait, and honestly, I'm kind of honestly, yeah. Lately, I'm just stopped. I just stopped following many YouTubers because you know it just bothers me. Okay, Arweave. So this one also, you know, we had barely a fifth wave. You know, I rather say we didn't see a fifth wave yet. And I honestly don't remember if, let me see here. Wave 2. Let's move it around. So we didn't got invalidated yet. And yeah, this third wave, I don't know. Some people call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but you know, anyway, we shall see when we get there. It didn't go much below the 0.5. Actually, it did take a dip, but it was, I think, for a short period of time. Let me go on the daily, so it's a little better. So we just had a wick below, and that's it. And now we're holding about near the 0.5. So it still has a chance. I know some people, as soon as they go below, they're done with it. In my opinion, now, you know, our wave still has a chance. I need to clean up the chart because definitely doesn't make sense anymore here. This one, I don't think it matters anymore. No, I'm going to go on the 4 hour just to see the short term. It's a while I didn't do a check here. Okay, so I was counting this as a ABC for 1. We had the wave 2. I think we had the pretty nice third wave, but then after we got invalidation. So unfortunately, I think you see him coming already. Actually, I was already there. So this is another A, B, C. So that's crazy, I know. And the truth is, you know, yeah, XRP is doing something. Yeah, PYTH also is trying to do something. But if you zoom out, it's not the first time that we're attempting to break this very long-term downtrend. And can he hold that level now? That's the same question we had here. I believe here we have more support than here, do we? Yeah, no, not even, honestly. Let's see the RSI, what they are for 12 hours. Let's see if we can have a... So stock RSI is already overbought, but at least the RSI, It's not overbought yet, so maybe there is a chance to go a little bit higher. We shall see. Cardano. Okay. Unfortunately, that's the thing, is like everybody, it looks similar, unfortunately. So you see, from the top here, we did get challenged here. Can I erase this one maybe now? And this one. That. Yeah, anyway. Cleaner charts. All right, so yeah, this another one too, allegedly. We don't know yet. But now we need price to reverse. And once again, do we have, can we see 5-way up? No, unfortunately we cannot. I think this was, yeah. Let me take out this one. Once again, unfortunately, everybody, it's an ABC, A, B, C. And this is a corrective movement of this impulsive, this diagonal, sorry. So all this is a wave 1, all this is a wave 2, and now we need to see if this is the ongoing third wave. Now would be very good for Cardano if he's able to break this downtrend resistance, which at the same time you can see that the red line here, this is the EMA 50. Let's go and check the RSIs. Does he has something to fight up? I was having the brush selected, so still have some fuel to fight off. So I'm not hoping for a skyrocketing moving like that, but just something on the side. Honestly, I'm going to be very happy if you can do something like that. The RSI are going to have the chance to reset, and this one also. That would be amazing, and then it can fill up for the next spike. Fetch also, it's looking good. Yeah, amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, now my computer is very slow. Okay, so we have a wave 1, wave 2, can count 5 wave for the third wave. Now this was the fourth. Almost got invalidated, but holding there. And now, is it going to go for this fifth wave? So this is the question we need to ask ourselves. Let me take out the 1.618, add the 2.618. All right, so if we can get, that would be amazing, 170, honestly, and maybe challenge the MA 200 would be great. After that, we could say that we had actually 5-way up. I would wait for the 3-wave down, and if I have a very nice 3-wave pullback movement, then I'm definitely going to go and reaccumulate more in my position. So it would be something like that. I would add the 0.382. Okay, now computer is very slow. Somehow, why? So if we manage to go here, I'm going to wait for an A, which is the level of the 0.382. I want to have a wave B and a wave C. If I get that, and if the wave A and the wave C ever reach a 1-to-1 ratio, and it does reach near the 0.618, I'm going to be a buyer at that level. Also, let's remember the bigger wave 2 always tends to go at the previous less or smaller count wave 4, which is here. So that's another level. Actually, yeah, so this is what I'm looking. So I'm not missing out on this. So, oh my god, I should have got more. No, actually it's the opposite. Okay, prove yourself that you can make 5-way up. Prove me that you can make 3-wave down with a nice structure and, you know, reach some Fibonacci retracement, you know, I don't want to say ideal, but almost. And then, you know, you deserve that I invest my money into you. That's how I see it. All right, don't want to make it very long, already 20 minutes. Okay, last one, Avalanche, if I can, because my computer, once again, it's crazy. It's a sign that I need to change. It doesn't look like you want to do it. Are you kidding? I'm still on. Come on. Okay. So Avalanche. Yeah, that's the problem again. We have an allegedly 1, 2, 3, but then the 4. I honestly don't see it. I just now, unfortunately, see an A, B, C. And what was this? Yeah, exactly. And this could be just an A, this is the B, and we could go even lower, which I don't like, because once again, I would love to have a structure where it's an A, a B, and a C, and the C should reach the 0.618, maximum 786 and 1918, but you know, anything goes below start to be unreliable, so I'm not going for that. But I already have some Avalanche that I purchased before, so I'm okay. We are still near this red downtrend line, so we need to pay attention on that. And yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to share. Yeah, let me do let me check hot and mining. Okay, so hot and mining RSI is good. We still have something. Actually, half tank full, so not that bad. We had 5-way up. I didn't like this ABC. It went really deep. So once again, much less reliable now because it did went much lower. And structurally also would have loved to see a 1-2 here, but we went lower, so I cannot say that. And I don't see a clear structure for the moment, unfortunately. I don't feel comfortable calling this a 1-2. And maybe this is an A, B, C for a 1, and this is a 2, but honestly, I don't see it. Maybe all this is somehow a wave 1. The only thing I can say, maybe we can make an uptrend line here. I would say I'm going to put it in orange just to see that, you know, it's need to be careful with this trend. And as long as price doesn't break, yeah, this yellow uptrend line, you know, more likely price could push higher. And after that, we'll see when and how is going to break and how the pullback is going to be structured. Then we can see if it's looking good or not. But yeah, today we're having a positive day anyway for the miners. Very good. Honestly, that's pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.